What's up, everybody? It was just Thanksgiving and I got a bunch of leftover turkey. So tonight, we're making turkey pot pie. Cheers and let's cook. I have my oven preheating to 415 degrees. I'm going to start getting my Dutch oven hot, and I'm going to build mine in a Dutch oven, but you could always do this in a pot and then transfer it to a baking dish. To that, I'm going to add 1 stick of butter that I just cut into pads, and we're going to let that melt. Our butter is melted, so now I'm going to go in with 1 large yellow onion diced and 2 cloves of garlic minced. And we will just saute that over medium heat until our onions are nice and translucent. Our onions and garlic are looking good. Took about 4 minutes. Now I'm going to go in with half a cup of all-purpose flour. I reduce my heat to medium-low. Just going to stir that in and let that flour cook for about a minute. Next up, I'm going to whisk in 4 cups of chicken stock. Just going to do that nice and slow. Try to make sure we don't get any clumps of flour in there. To that, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of rubbed sage, as well as 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and then about 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to raise my heat back up to high and bring that to a simmer. Came to a simmer, and that thickened up nicely, so now I'm going to go in with my 3 cups of diced turkey. I have a 16-ounce package of peas and carrots. It was frozen, I let it defrost, as well as half a cup of heavy cream. I'm just going to stir all that in. Let that cook for 2 more minutes over medium heat. That is looking really good. Now is when you'd want to taste it, see if you want any more salt or pepper. I think we're good. So I'm just going to kill my heat, and it's time to top it with our puff pastry. In a small bowl, I'm going to crack 1 egg. Add just a splash of water, and we will whisk that with a fork. I have my 2 pieces of puff pastry here. I'm just going to cut those into 2-inch by 1-inch rectangles. We got our puff pastry all cut up, so now, starting around the outside, I'm going to shingle that puff pastry. And I'm going to leave a couple little gaps while I'm doing this to let steam go through. You guys, I'm going to leave some little holes in here. That's going to let that steam go through while this puff pastry bakes. Puffs up real nice. I'm going to take my egg wash and just brush that all along the top of the puff pastry. And that is ready to go into our 415 degree oven until our puff pastry is nicely golden brown, which should take about 35 minutes. I let that rest for about 20 minutes before digging in, and guys, we got a beautiful, delicious turkey pot pie here. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.